In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to OneDrive and share the link, a simple process that will take you just under 3 minutes to learn. If you're looking for a convenient method to store your files in the cloud and make them accessible to others, OneDrive is an excellent choice. Let's dive in and walk through these steps one by one to get you started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. This step is crucial as it serves as the gateway to accessing OneDrive and its full suite of features. If you haven't already logged in, visit Microsoft's official website and enter your credentials to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll notice an Apps Launcher icon, which looks like a grid of dots. You'll find it in the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on this will open up a menu displaying the various apps available to you, including OneDrive. Go ahead and click on OneDrive to open it up. Now that you're in OneDrive, head over to the My Files section. This area will serve as your central hub for managing all your documents and folders. It's here where you need to choose the folder where you'd like to upload your file. Selecting the appropriate folder can help keep your files organized, so choose carefully to maintain a tidy workspace. With your chosen location ready, look for the Create an Upload icon, typically located at the top of the page. Once you've found it, click to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Files Upload. This choice allows you to pick a file directly from your computer. When your File Explorer window opens, navigate to the file you want to upload. Select it, and proceed with the upload. OneDrive takes care of the rest, making sure your document is safely placed in the cloud, ready for access whenever needed. Now that your file is securely uploaded, it's time to share it. To do this, click on the file to prompt a range of options. Select Share to open the sharing settings. Pay special attention to the permission settings, a crucial step for controlling who can do what with your file. You'll see an option labeled Permission. Click on this to decide whether you want to allow others to edit the file or only to view it. Choosing Can Edit grants the recipient editing rights, ideal for collaboration, while Can View ensures they can only see the content, preserving the file's integrity. After sorting out these permissions, click on Copy Link to generate a shareable link. You can then paste this link into an email, chat, or any other platform where you wish to share it. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a file to OneDrive and shared it with ease. Now, your document is accessible whenever and wherever you need it, and sharing it with others is as simple as clicking a link.